The 17 and 18 Impreza and the 18 Crosstrek, as well as the 18 Legacy and Outback, have an automatic clock setting that's very, very helpful, but you have to know how to set it up for it to work for you. If we look up here at our clock, we do have a plus and minus button. See if I can press that for you. But they don't seem to do anything. It's because our clock is set to automatic. We can confirm that by going into the settings menu on our home screen. From the settings menu, select vehicle at the bottom right and check clock adjustment. If it's on auto, that's where we want to be. That means that it will pull the time right off your cell phone. If you don't have a cell phone, or you have, say, an older flip phone or something like that, you may want to set it to manual and manually set the clock using those two buttons. But because we're on auto, what that means is that we can have it change the clock on daylight savings time for us. So to make that auto clock work for you, if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android phone, it will do it all automatically. With an iPhone, what you have to do is you have to come into your settings menu, into your Bluetooth menu, and where you see Subaru Bluetooth or Subaru BT and connected, click the little blue eye next to connected. We have to make sure we turn on show notifications, and then that will allow it to pass that information to the car and automatically change your clock. Don't be surprised if it takes 2 or 3 minutes for that to take effect. If you're plugged in, you have to wait until you're unplugged. It's not an instantaneous thing, but in 2 or 3 minutes it will change itself. Just be patient.